The Sonos Era 300 stands are expertly crafted to seamlessly fit the Sonos Era 100 and Era 300 speakers, offering a stable and secure support that integrates effortlessly with your audio setup. These stands boast a height-adjustable design ranging from 26.9 inches to 42 inches, allowing you to customize the sound direction for an immersive audio experience. Incorporated cable management ensures a clean and organized appearance, eliminating clutter and maintaining a sleek aesthetic in your living space. Engineered to reduce vibrations, these stands provide a solid foundation that enhances audio clarity and delivers a cinematic surround sound experience. The installation process is straightforward and stress-free, requiring only 4 screws and taking just minutes to complete, even for first-time users. With a focus on both functionality and design, these stands ensure your speakers are perfectly positioned for optimal sound quality and visual appeal.